Hey guys, my name is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas Mastercraft, bringing you a piece of pre-owned inventory. This is a 2017 Mastercraft X-46. This is an awesome piece, perfect to get out there for this summer surfing. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the features. As we step inside the boat, you can see we do have the optional surf seats on this boat, as well as the recliners right here in the back. Going to be a super comfortable boat for everybody. This seat does reverse back as well, so that you guys can face the surfer while you're out there. Awesome tower right here with the clamping board racks as well. Two JL speakers up there, as well as JL audio throughout, and a Fusion head unit up here on the passenger side. As you can see, we did option this one when it was new with the couch seat, so this is nice. You can have two people up at the helm. It does have the touchscreen Gen 2 surf system on it as well. Very, very loaded boat. Finally, as we step forward, you can see we've got this awesome bow. We have fold down armrests and room for at least 3 adults up here to sit. Again, this is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas Mastercraft. This is a 2017 Mastercraft X-46. Give me a call, we can get you squared away.